हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग असम के कुछ ऑफ बीट प्लेसेस के बारे में बात करेंगे जहाँ पे लोग घूमने जाते हैं और आप लोग भी जा सकते हैं। तो चलिए फिर बिना देरी किए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट वन इज नामफाके विलेज। This is a village besides the Buridihing River in Naharkatia under Dibrugarh district of Assam. Namphake has a cultural charm of its own, inhabited by Thai Phake or Faikal ethnic group. The village is characterized by beautiful Changhars, a Buddhist monastery established in 1850, and greenery all around. Their unique traditional attires, Thai language, food habits, village lifestyle, and the river landscape have attracted many tourists in this part of Assam. A family picnic by the Buridihing River, swimming, visiting the Buddhist monastery and its attractions like Musilinda Tank, Ashoka Pillar, Buddhist Pagoda, and bird watching are a few activities one can go for. To gain an insight into the Thai Phake culture, a village tour and tasting delicious Thai cuisines are a must. Next place is Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, which is also known as the Amazon of the East. The Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is partly in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts of Assam. Dirok Rainforest, Upper Dehing River and Jaipur are its three divisions. The Dehing Patkai Rainforest extend up to the bordering Tirap and Changlang districts of Arunachal Pradesh. Highly rich in flora and fauna, some rare animals like Chinese pangolin, flying fox, wild pig, sambar, barking deer, gore, sirau, hulok gibbon, slow loris, Asian elephant, Himalayan black bear and Malayan giant squirrels are found here. It is the only sanctuary in India with 7 different species of wild cats. With 293 species of birds, 30 species of butterflies, 47 species of reptiles, 24 species of amphibians and more than 100 species of orchids, Dehing Patkai is a paradise for wildlife lovers. Dehing Patkai has immense scope for tourism and is often underrated. Jaipur Rainforest Festival is organized every year in February to promote tourism. Next is Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Declared as a national park in 1999, Dibru-Saikhowa is one of the 19 biodiversity hotspots in the world. The Brahmaputra River and the hills of Arunachal Pradesh lie to its north, bounded by the Dibru River and Patkai Hills in the south. It is considered as one of the largest Salic swamp forests in northeast India. Hulok gibbon, capped langur, slow loris, water buffalo, tiger, elephant, Gangetic river dolphin, etc. are some of the rare endangered animals found here. It is also famous for rare white-winged wood duck and feral horses. Popular among bird watchers, Dibru-Saikhowa is also emerging as an adventure destination for hikes and camping. Next place is Bogamati. Located near the Indo-Bhutan border, Bogamati lies entirely in the newly created Baksa district in Assam. Covered with dense forest, this has become a famous picnic spot for locals and travelers alike. It has also become the new adventure hub in Assam. Bogamati is beautiful and is located on the mouth of Bornodi. The scenic beauty of the Bhutan hills is what attracts people to this place. Next is Panimur Waterfall. Formed on the Kopili River, Panimur Waterfall is in Dima Hasao district of Assam. It is about 120 km from the district headquarters, Haflong. Panimur is worshipped as a sacred place by the Dimasa people. The community performs a holy bath in Panimur every year. There is a beautiful story between Dishruti Haflongbar, a Dimasa princess, and Panimur, often narrated by the Dimasas. The rocks surrounding the waterfall adds extra beauty to it. Boating facilities are available in the regular season and you can also camp by the bank of the Panimur river. Next is Belogat Waterfall, also known as Paklongkum or Dikrupti. Belogat Waterfall is located about 50 km from Difu, the district headquarters of Karbi Anglon, Assam. It is one of the highest waterfalls in Assam. The nearest town is Dokomoka, which is about 17 km from the waterfall. Next one is Paradise Lake in Nagaon. In Kathalguri village under Samaguri circle of Nagaon district, Paradise Lake or Nilapani is a newly explored tourist attraction. It is located 15 km from its nearest town, Amoni. Private vehicles, mostly two-wheelers, can go to the lake. Next is Garbhanga Forest Hike. On the outskirts of Guwahati, along the Assam-Meghalaya border, the Garbhanga Forest Hike is a popular trail among adventure enthusiasts. The hike starts from Vasishtha Temple along the river stream and takes around 2 hours till the waterfall. Climbing, monkey crawling and camping can be done with the required equipment. Next is Bhairab Kunda. It is an emerging tourist spot at the Bhutan-Arunachal Pradesh-Assam border. The Jampan River from Bhutan and Bhairavi merge here to form the Dhanshiri River. It is located near the Bhutanese temple called Daifam, famous for the wine trade. The place also serves as a pilgrimage for the Shiva devotees. People can cross the international border on foot and enjoy the scenic beauty of the adjacent. A half-an-hour drive from the district headquarters Udalguri will introduce you to the golden rice fields and distant hills. Bhairab Kunda Tourism Festival is organized annually in the month of January to promote the place. Next is Parvati Temple at Boko. This is a Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati temple. The temple is located at the top of a hill from where one can experience majestic views. In this place, one can experience amazing sunrise and sunset as well. Next is Chandobi Lake. At the foothills of Garo Hills, Chandobi Lake is located about 65 kilometers from Guwahati. Interestingly, this lake came to existence due to the 1897 earthquake in Assam. A natural lagoon formed in the lake is one of the major attractions. Other attractions include the lush green forest, tea gardens, and the culture of nearby Rabha villages. The lake offers activities like boating, fishing, rowing, and camping. If you go a few kilometers from Chandobi Lake, then you can witness a beautiful waterfall called the Solokadare waterfall. Next is Nakkati Hill. The highest peak in Lower Assam, Nakkati Hill is located near the Devangao area in the outskirts of district headquarters Bongaigaon. The peak has a cut-nose shape and hence the name Nakkati. With a height of 600 meters from the ground level, the peak provides mesmerizing landscapes of the harvested agricultural field, adjacent hills, and the nearby forests. It is a hike of 3 to 4 hours. Popular among the locals, Nakkati Hill is a must for adventure enthusiasts. Next is the Treasured Wheels. It is a museum of Assam which features vintage cars, motorcycles, bicycles, musical instruments, electrical appliances, clocks and watches from the early part of the 20th century. The museum is located at Sunapur, Tepesia Road, Guwahati, Assam. This museum is a unique one which is having full classics as its single focus. So friends, that's all in today's video, but this is not the end. There is an endless list of places to visit in Assam, which I'll be covering in my other videos. If you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and share the video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.